We at the Coliseum. Hey. Huh? I'm gonna dance. Oh yeah. His heart when I put out that gun, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Period. Not in the crowd goes, wow, I'm screaming. No, like y'all, we shut it down. Them folks was seeing me on the boat the next day talking about some, hey Beyonce. Y'all, they was asking me to come back the next day. I should have got paid for that. Oh, there we are. And we're going there tomorrow. We're gonna get off and explore Rome. So excited. I'm so excited. We had a fun night, didn't we? Was I just now recording? Did I not record that? If I did, in case I did. Anyway, we ordered room service. We had a fun night. I turned up karaoke per usual. We didn't get too drunk. Gotta wake up at 7 a.m. to go explore Rome. Okay, bye. We're in Civita Vecchia. I like saying that. Civita Vecchia. Alright, we're in Civita Vecchia. About to catch a train to Rome. It's very touristy here, of course. A lot of bugs. The last place didn't have a lot of bugs. Oh, I know that. I've seen that before in art history class. That's a historical piece of art that I forgot what it's called. We don't have time to go see. Alfredo Oriani.
Is he the one who invented the fettuccine Alfredo?
Well, he probably did. There's the Colosseum. I don't know if we're gonna be able to tour it because it said lines could be long, but it also said be expected to wait 15 to 30 minutes, and then another one said be expected to wait 2 to 3 hours. But it also said the peak time was 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and it is
1 p.m.
1 p.m. We at the Coliseum. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Even though we can't tour it because I don't know if we have time. Just to see this place is crazy. Because I learned about this in high school for years. I was never able to come. Think about a place that's been here since like, shut up, 25 BC. Even though they renovated some parts. And no thank you. Even though they renovated some parts, it mostly is still the original architecture, and that is so crazy. This is where they used to have gladiator fights, men fighting wild animals. I gotta get a picture in front of it. Wow. They really used to be up in here fighting beasts. And if you capture men, they will capture men and train them to fight to the death. That is, I believe that's the landmark of Constantine, something like that. But it don't have to do anything with Constantine for real. They just, I mean, like he didn't create it or nothing. I'm trying to get close as I can inside without going inside. It's a bronze cross right there. That was to dedicate to Constantine, who was the great emperor. I don't got all the facts, but I know that Constantine the Great is responsible for Christianity as y'all see it today. And yes, look it up for yourself. Okay, now I'm pretty sure this is where their water systems were built. I'm gonna Google it for sure. I really don't know for sure. Oh my god, I would never lie to y'all. It stinks so bad on this street. It smells like pee-pee and caca. Came to eat at the rooftop restaurant. Ooh, I'm tripping all over my pants. In Rome, get some pizza. What if I got some chicken tenders?
I'll be sad.
Get a case.
I wouldn't need one. But the people would not want.
Boy, bye. Bye. Bye, literally. I'm about to go get some souvenirs. I really want this, but I think I need a minute to see if I really want it. Or should I get that one? I did my first bargaining. Got my souvenirs, a hoodie, purse for 65 euros. I know that's still not super cheap, but it was supposed to be like 80. He was so sweet. And got me some chocolate, some free chocolate, because I'm so sweet and so nice and so cute. Where's our food? I forgot who was by, but the actual photograph, he grabbed the lady off the street and just kissed her. He didn't even know her. They wasn't in love. She was a stranger. And in today's world, that's called sexual harassment. Sexual assault. Like, where's this party. I think I'm going to the 4th floor. But we need to be in bed by 1 for sure, because we need to get up early to go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So we got a good 30 minutes more partying. He down here on the 4th floor because we was up top dancing under the stars and it was so windy. Wait, how I get on the 3rd floor? I meant to go to the 4th. Well, anyway, I found my way up there. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the bell button for part 3. Like, comment, and subscribe if you already aren't for more Tish Travels.